I'm getting married in 17, 18 days. No, wait. Sorry, wrong count. I need to count again. 25. Shit. Yeah, I'm getting married in less than a month and I'm going crazy. I have just broken my favorite. किधर गया वो? Charlotte Tilbury brush. So समझ जाओ अभी कितना स्ट्रेस एंड कितना हेक्टिक चल रहा है मेरे दिमाग में. बट हाई, आई एम हेली एंड वेलकम टू अ फन Q&A where I'll answer all the questions about my wedding, and let's begin. First question, and a very obvious start: how is the wedding preparation going? Let's cue back to the last Q&A I did in December or November, where I was like, मुझे सारा काम ख़त्म करना है before January starts, so that the full month of January I'm enjoying, I'm chilling, and I hope by my reaction you can probably understand कि कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Nothing is, so the decor is not 100% finalized yet. The food tasting is left, food menu finalization is left, venue की एक भी रेकी नहीं हुई है. So here we are, 20 days before the wedding at this situation. Next is super fun. Am I gonna be a pastel bride or a bright color bride? I already did pastel for my engagement. If you haven't seen it, here are some pictures from my engagement. So for the wedding, I'm definitely going to be a very over the top bride, a very bright color. Red is definitely still an option, but yeah, you'll see. I'm gonna make those videos of where you can guess what my outfit is. So usme you can see all the options are gonna be very bright and poppy and fun. When is the first function of my wedding? It's actually tomorrow, which is why I'm panicking so much and I feel like कि कुछ ही दिन बाकी क्योंकि पहला function कल है. I'm a Gujju, so the first function is Lagan Lakhwanu, where we do puja of our Kankotri. Kankotri is an invitation. इतने Gujju words आ रहे हैं ना मेरे दिमाग में अभी, so उसकी पूजा होगी properly, and yeah, I'm going to do my own makeup for it. It's the first function, so I had two wishes. एक कि मुझे खुद का makeup करना है for the first function, and second, I want to wear my own brand in one of my wedding functions. If you're a new member of family, H&K is my own brand. It's called Haley and Kumar. Kumar is my fiance, soon to be husband, and we have stationery and apparel in our brand. We have our recently launched planner, which has been such a bestseller because it's all coquette, cute, bows and all, and we have undated planners. We also have notebooks and fun apparel, which we are going to relaunch after the wedding. So yeah, you can check it out. Niche, it's linked right on my YouTube channel. Share your wedding decor theme. I actually haven't kept a dress code for any of the functions in my wedding, and even for the decor, we aren't really going for any color theme or anything because I just want everything to be minimal and open and outdoorsy and chill. I am not big on decor because it costs a lot of money to get a grand decor done. Like lakhs में तो easily चली जाती है amount, and that is a thing that doesn't give me that much happiness. I'd rather spend that much money कि banquet के बदले lawn में जो extra खर्चा होता है वो चलेगा. But I don't want like a very grand decor. I just want to have a lot of fun, and I don't want posy pictures. I want like very raw pictures where we're all having fun, and if we cry, I have been crying every day till today, and I don't know for how many more days my emotions are going to be how they are. Also my period is going to come, but I feel ये शादी से related भी हो सकता है. So no theme or this for anything, just fun vibes. Where will you live after the wedding? Am I going to be living with my in-laws, or are Kumar and I moving to a separate home? So after the wedding, किधर क्या हो रहा है? This blush has all of my foundation, but nothing has come on my face. Okay, let's go back to my टूटा हुआ दिल का टुकड़ा by Charlotte Tilbury. You're waiting no, for the answer of this question because it's a very gossipy question, very juicy question this is. I am going to be living with my in-laws, but the best part is that they're very not nosy people. Like they are not someone who are going to check ki what time I'm waking up, what time I'm going to office, and what time I'm coming back, and that is why I'm not that worried. So yeah, we are going to be living together. How was your solo bachelorette experience, and how many trips did I exactly go on, and is it all done ki aur kuch hai? So okay, let me go step by step. Solo bachelorette was amazing until I traveled solo. So London was semi-solo. I was alone on most of the days when Himani would be to college, but whenever it was possible, we'd actually hang out a lot together. तो मैं उसके घर पे रह रही थी. So it was semi-solo ना. Switzerland was proper solo because I was alone in this city, living in my hotel room, and I was deciding the whole day क्या करना है on the spot on my own. जो कैफ़े पसंद आता था मैं बैठ जाती थी अकेले, एक डिश मंगाती थी खुद के लिए, and I would shop so much. It was the best experience. इतना अच्छा that I've actually planned कि even after the wedding I want to go solo again because बहुत ऐसा calming, reassuring लगता है that I can take care of myself. एंड दैट फीलिंग इज़ अनपैरेलल्ड. ऑफ कोर्स मम्मी पापा है, कुमार है, नाउ आई एम गेटिंग मैरिड, बट जो खुद से वो सेटिस्फैक्शन आता है ना, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड इज़ इट ऑल डन? नो, आई डिड गो ऑन अ ट्रिप विद देशना ऑल्सो, वन विथ हिमानी ऑल्सो. आई वॉन्ट टू टेक वन ट्रिप विद मम्मी पापा बिफोर द वेडिंग, सेम प्लेस एंड चाबियो जाना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है उधर जाना. बट दैट इज़ लिटरली पॉसिबल इफ टाइम परमिट्स अस. तो थोड़ा डाइसी चल रहा है. आई हैव अ बैचलरेट लंच प्लान विथ माई गर्ल्स विच इज़ हैपनिंग वेरी सून. सो first theme function is happening and I'll try to vlog it if everyone is comfortable, and if they are, then you'll see a vlog very soon. This is probably my favorite question so far. It goes like, we've been together for 10 years now, Kumar and I. तो did we plan कि हमको अभी ऐसा 26, he just turned 27 5 days ago, I'm 26 right now. तो did we plan कि हमको 26 साल पे शादी करनी है, and how did we come to this decision? Honestly, our parents decided for us. हमने दोनों ने, there was never a proposal. So even when we became boyfriend and girlfriend many years ago, तभी भी we didn't propose to each other. Neither did he ask me, nor did I ask him. तो हमारा वैसे कभी कुछ प्लान नहीं था. Only of the wedding festivities we're like, चलो now, I deserve a beach proposal. So our relationship was very flowy in terms of a friendship. There was no plan ever. All we knew is we want to be with each other, but the trajectory was never on our mind कि चलो propose करेंगे, engagement होगी, शादी होगी. But as a girl, my parents were facing a lot of pressure from the society generally कि ओ इतने रिश्तेदार हैं तुम्हारी बेटी के लिए, why are you rejecting them, what's going on? And again, 10 years is a really long time. Plus biological clock is there. If we choose to have kids, the earlier the better and all of that. So our parents kept drilling in our head since 3 years, कर लो शादी. एंड आई फील लाइक ऑनेस्टली अगर हम अब नहीं करते ना तो वो लोग करवा ही देते. मतलब फिर प्रपोजल कुछ नहीं होता, हम दोनों को बोलते ये दिन पे आ जाना तुम बैंक्वेट में लहंगा और सूट पहन के. सो या इट वॉज, yeah, that's how this whole thing is unfolded. This next question, मुझे actually लगा था कि मैं रो दूँगी on camera, but right now I'm feeling okay, so maybe a good time and a safe space for me to answer this. How are your and your family's emotions during this time of the wedding? Very very vulnerable. Actually not just me but even my mom. Papa to chalo, they are habitual to being the rock and like very strong, but all three of us are just so emotional and so weak because वो जो separation anxiety होता है ना कि ये चली जाएगी किधर and I won't get to see them often, वो anxiety next level होती है. The best part is my office is very close by, where I'm going to be shifting after the wedding is also quite close by, walking distance ही है सब, touch wood. पर वो जो फीलिंग आती है ना, स्पेशली फॉर अ गर्ल्स साइड ऑफ द फैमिली, no one can prepare you for it. I am still taking therapy. I actually have a session today also, but even after all the help, those emotions can go beyond what you can take care of. तो the best thing that we can do is we actually cry it out. हम निकाल देते हैं, वरना वो जो भरता है ना, फिर मैं पूरा दिन रोती हूँ कि अरे ये क्या हो रहा है. So it's better to just cry it out when you feel like it. And no, I'm not able to control it. If you've been a bride, if you're married, tell me in the comments, did you also go through the same, and what all did help you in this time? During the wedding time, normally there are a lot of clashes. So the next question goes like, how do we manage that? Generally speaking, when young couples are getting married, and how to manage things not just between the two families but also with your partner. So I'm going to be very honest, like I've always been on the channel. I thought हमारे साथ ये नहीं होगा, but ऑन सम लेवल हो रहा है. बिकॉज वेन एवर पेरेंट्स के बीच में कोई बात होती है एंड इफ़ इट रीचेज अस द किड्स, तो बोथ ऑफ अस आर गोना ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि थिंग्स गो स्मूथली. बट वेन दे डोंट, एक दूसरे पे निकल जाता है कि अरे कैन यू हेल्प योर फैमिली अंडरस्टैंड कि यू नो लेट्स डू दिस, एंड ही इज़ लाइक ओके बट कैन यू गाइज एडजस्ट इन दिस प्लेस. I feel like the best thing that Kumar and I have been trying to do is to not talk about the wedding. जो पेरेंट्स की मैटर्स है, parents should only talk to each other. No parent should talk to the other kid. बिकॉज़ वो जो जनरेशन गैप हो जाती है ना, वी आर वेरी हॉट ब्लडेड, वी आर नॉट मैच्योर इनफ टू हैंडल सच बिग डिसीजंस कि कितने लोग आना चाहिए वेडिंग में, व्हाट शुड बी द बजट. We kids are not capable of that because we are not the ones paying for a big fat wedding. Kumar and I really wanted to do an intimate wedding on our own that we can handle, but the parents really chose, you know, they want a big fat wedding where they want to call all the relatives. Our guests are going to be like probably 600 people. That's a big, big wedding for us. So either the kids are handling it or the parents. Putting everybody together is not a good idea, trust me. Do I want to do any major wedding glow up or makeover? There is one thing that has changed. My skin has been acting up because of so much stress. तो मुझे बहुत ऐसे white heads और black heads like दाने दाने हो रहे all over my face. And trust me, I am trying the best of the best products. उससे reduction तो बहुत हो गया पर ये जा ही नहीं रहे completely. So I'm thinking of taking help. Like बस इसके लिए कुछ skin care करवा लूँ. But I'm not able to decide कि do I want to risk it or do I not, because मुझे reaction से बहुत डर लग रहा है. I have never gotten a facial done and I don't think that 3 weeks before the wedding is the best time to do it for the first time. As for the other things like hair color, micro needling, eyelash extensions, no, I don't want any of that to be done. I want to look like myself, I want to feel like myself. मैं nails भी नहीं कराने वाली क्योंकि मुझे uncomfortable लगता है with long nails. Like I can't do my normal everyday things. So I'm just going to do press on, stick on nails जो function के आधे घंटे पहले लगाऊंगी और function खत्म होते से ही उतार दूंगी. What are the plans for the pre-wedding shoot? I actually had thought कि we'll do like a storyline, but Kumar's mom suggested a very fun video which was a full-on Indian vibe. She sent me this reference where we are in cotton saris and we're making flower ki rangolis. So I ordered like 2 very cute saris for that, and now we have to find a location जहाँ पे ये Indian shoot भी हो सके और Western shoot भी हो सके, because I don't want to let go of my original idea either. So we'll do both, and we should be able to do it in the next 1 week. क्योंकि 3 ही तो हफ्ते बचे हैं, तो अब 1 हफ्ते में तो कर लेते हैं, so that we can actually like use those photos and videos for the invites and just to like get hyped up and excited about the wedding. If you have any suggestions for the locations, please मुझे बताओ. Will we start a couples channel after the wedding? No. Like when it comes to my mom or Kumar or my family, I want everybody to be on my channel. It's like एक अपना home ground है. This is the one place where everybody needs to come, because I can't think of handling like multiple channels, and my channel has always been a family, like a thing of a mirror कि जो है वैसे है. So it's very cozy for everyone to be on my channel. There's no genre. I don't do only beauty or only fashion. It's all emotion right here. So I don't want a couples channel. जो होगा ये channel पे होगा. Only one place you need to be subscribed to. How many functions are there? As a bride, I don't know. I only know हमारे side के functions. If you're talking about genuinely all the functions, so Lagan Lakhan is happening tomorrow. Then Yamunashtak part will also happen tomorrow only. Ganeshna Papad will happen on the wedding day. Mehendi will happen, and then Haldi will happen. Haldi ke baad there's a tilak ceremony. Then the Sangeet happens. Then we'll dance a lot. Then Monday morning there'll be Mandwa Grah Shanti. And then there'll be दोनों side का मामेरू. Then there'll be wait. It's good because if I forget I can come back to this video. क्या हाँ छक्की निकलेगी. It's a very traditional Gujju function, so I'm not the best to explain it. If there's someone Gujju, if you can comment and explain exactly what छक्की निकालना is, it'll be great. Then they'll have a कोरक की पूजा. Then the साफा बंदी will happen. Then बारात. फिर तोरन वाला फंक्शन भी उनका है. देन पोखना होगा. मेरा पोखना भी इसके पहले होगा एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. देन वरमाला के बाद इज़ अ रिसेप्शन, बिकॉज मारवाड़ी फेराज यूजुअली हैपन वेरी लेट एट नाइट. रिसेप्शन के बाद फेरा, एंड फेरा के बाद देयर बी पग धोवानी विधि एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो या बहुत सारे फंक्शंस हैं. इसमें सिर्फ मैं श्योर 1-2 मैंने मिस कर दिया. शेयर सम टिप्स फॉर प्री ब्राइडल स्किन केयर रूटीन. आई कैन एक्चुअली गिव यू अ लॉट बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड आई हैवंट गॉटन एनी ट्रीटमेंट डन, एंड मैं इतना प्लान भी नहीं कर रही. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ टू एक्चुअली यूज़ अ लॉट ऑफ सीरम्स. सीरम्स में ना बहुत एक्टिव्स होते हैं. एक्टिव्स एक्चुअली आर क्विकर इन ब्रिंगिंग रिजल्ट्स एंड दे ब्रिंग वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रिजल्ट्स. द ओनली थिंग इज़ इफ़ यू यूजिंग एनी सीरम, आप सनस्क्रीन स्किप नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज इट मेक्स योर स्किन सेंसिटिव टू सनलाइट. एंड इफ यू स्किप सनस्क्रीन यू कैन गेट मोर डार्क स्पॉट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. तो अगर सीरम लगानी है, सनस्क्रीन इज़ नॉट स्किपेबल. बट आई एम यूजिंग niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and if I'm not using niacinamide, I use vitamin C. I don't mix both of them. This is what I've been doing. Clean skin is very very important. I try to wash my face twice a day at least, सुबह को और रात को सोने के पहले. And रात को क्या benefit है, if I wash my face I can use the serum again. Serum should always be used on a clean face. Salicylic acid is also something I use at night. एंड आई डोंट यूज़ एनी एक्टिव मॉइस्चराइजर्स. फिर मेरा फेस वॉश भी जेंटल होता है, मॉइस्चराइजर भी जेंटल होता है. क्लिनिक मॉइस्चर सर्ज इज़ व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग राइट नाउ. एंड या दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. आई डू माई स्क्रब. पिक्सी का एक पपाया स्क्रब है विद लैक्टिक एसिड. आई डू दैट ट्वाइस अ वीक. एंड पिक्सी के डिटॉक्सिफाइंग आई पैचेस, यू नो वट, I think I should make a skincare video. But overall, these are the products I'm using and I'm trying to be consistent with it and to not sleep with makeup on. जो मैं महीने में 1-2 बार तो कर ही लेती हूँ, but अभी कुछ 10-15 दिन संभालने हैं, so I'm trying to not sleep with makeup on. And with that, we are ready. This is a time pass makeup look I have done because I just wanted to chit chat with you and do some makeup and feel good. I'm feeling so girly. I have not done mascara and this eyeshadow and a pink lipstick in such a long time, which I don't think is matching with this eyeshadow. But anyway, हमको कौन सा बाहर जाना है ये makeup look पहन के. If you're a bride to be, the only thing I can advise you is to just let your emotions out, cry how much you want to, so that you can actually smile and laugh and you don't have anything held inside you, and to not take any stress. यार मैं ये बोलते हुए भी रियलाइज़ खुद भी कर रही हूँ कि मैंने भी काफ़ी स्ट्रेस लिया हुआ है, बट क्यों लेना है. जो जैसे होने वाला है वैसे होने वाला है. यू कैन जस्ट एक्सप्लेन योर विश लिस्ट टू योर पेरेंट्स, आस्क हाउ मच इज़ पॉसिबल फॉर देम टू फुलफिल एंड लेट गो ऑफ द रेस्ट. जितना उनसे होगा वो लोग उतना तो वो करने ही वाला है. बोलना भी नहीं पड़ेगा सेकेंड टाइम. एंड जो नहीं हो सकता उसका क्या स्ट्रेस लेना. सो दैट्स व्हेयर आई एम एट मेंटली. आई फेल्ट सो गुड टॉकिंग टू यू. फेल्ट लाइक आई वाज टॉकिंग टू अ फ्रेंड एंड जस्ट ranting, venting, chilling. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do get a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for all the wedding madness coming right after this. A lot of vlogs coming, I promise. We're gonna make it happen this time. And I'll see you very soon in a brand new video. Until then, goodbye.